Hi, I'm at the 2011 ICOSSE conference, and right now I'm talking to Bruce Douglas, who's the Vice President at Stone Environmental, and he's going to talk to us about his research for sustainability, so go ahead.
Hi, Michelle. Thanks so much. This is a very interesting project. We have a 119-acre piece of land in Palm Springs, California that's been donated to a community college for a new campus. And their goals of the project were to get zero waste, sustainable hydrology, net zero energy, be carbon neutral, and have an ecological regeneration built into the campus plan. And they asked us to develop sustainability guidelines. In the process of doing that, we realized there are a lot of themes of sustainable design we want to address, but how do we organize them? How do we look at them at the building scale, the campus scale, and the community scale? Which is the only way you can get true sustainability is get the integration of the themes at both amongst each other and at different scales. So we came up with this representation, which shows really the term biomimicry, which means a biological, ecological system uses materials, energy, and water in a cyclical fashion in very small cycles throughout the process. And using that as the element of sustainability, the objective of sustainability is have a cyclical and regenerative system. So ecology was our fundamental aspect of this project. And within ecology, you have movements, energy, water, and materials. And we looked at those, how they interact, and utilize waste as resources. In other words, we looked at the project as how can we generate revenue, what are the markets for these resources, rather than look at waste as something you have to get rid of. We wanted to minimize greenhouse gases, but also meet all the objectives of the campus, one of which was for alternative energy, two-year degree, associate's degree in alternative energy. And we wanted the campus to actually be the classroom. So we developed performance targets for the university and looked at the performance targets were sorted by theme, but also showed the integration. And we had performance targets at each scale, community, campus, and building. And then we had design matrices that rated available technologies for achieving the performance targets. So this was all pre-planning before the architects and the design team was hired, so that college could have basically control to ensure that they really would get true sustainability. And as part of the implementation is to make sure they have a feedback loop so they can monitor, educate the students, but also ensure that they met the performance targets, or if they didn't, know why. Thank you very much.